Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing a AliExpress craft supply haul video. I just glitter everywhere. Okay, so for today I got two big packages. Let's see. Oh, okay, so this package has two smaller packages in it. Let me get a white paper so you can see better. Okay, I assume this is a die. Oh, yes. So it looks like all of these are steampunk dies. An owl kind. And this is a crow. A crow man. This is a crow facing you. Or that's probably not a crow. Oh. A birdman. A birdman. Ooh, koala bears. No, sorry, wrong. These are all kinds of animals, and then you can make their eyes different color, which is really good. I gotta check what these things are. Often, the dies that have little animals in it, they don't have a separate die for the ears and the nose, although I am seeing like that middle one. Usually you have to color them, but this one's really good because you can cut it out in a die for a separate color. Birds, American eagle. That's really good. The plague bird. A cuter bird. Here we have some rose set, and then we have a steampunk heart. So it's part heart, partially machine. Very, very good. Okay, the next package. Okay, let's see. I think this, yes. A very small owl and a corresponding die, a rainbow and a unicorn and a corresponding die, a little bunny with the rain. Let's see, there is a couple of things here, just to make sure I get everything here. There's a love, and these are waves. So you can cut different layers of waves out. That is very good because I've been doing it by hand, and it did not come out as good as it looked. But finally, I found a wave. I will try and find you guys some of the things I have on the video. I cannot guarantee I find it because I do have over 5,000 orders now, and going to check them one by one is getting harder and harder. Okay, so this designer, I've noticed I have a lot of it of the same, like fox and bunny together. I don't know, I think it's the same designer but different seller, obviously. Alright, this one comes with a die. I really like these designs because it's very thin layer, outline, I mean very thin outline, so it's usually always sharp. Desserts, ooh, yum. Okay, so this one comes with I got a little too excited there. This one comes with corresponding die. I really like this because it's very simple. If you've seen some of the previous haul videos, which does show some of the desserts, you can see that there's a lot of them that are a little bit more complicated and with more details. This one is very minimalist, very simple, nothing crazy to it. This one comes with the die also. So I really like this because it's just so simple and easy to color. It's easy even for kids to color. So if you want to save yourself some time, put them kids to labor and make them color it. It's something they'll enjoy. Mermaids. Isn't there a new Disney mermaid movie coming out? Speaking of Disney, I have two, I think. I believe 2 right now. Giveaway open. So you can receive a bunch of stamps. Comes with a die. Stamps, dies, washies for free. All you have to do is watch the video and answer the question I asked you. And then one of the giveaways question is something to do with Disney. This is a very summer vibe. It's September, so I'm gonna save this for next year. Also, I am gonna be traveling in a few days. I'll be gone for 2 weeks. So what I'm gonna do right now is yes, I'm recording multiple videos, and then I'm just gonna schedule ahead, and while I'm gone there will not be any giveaways, or maybe there will be. Maybe I'll do 3, and then there will be 2 weeks to enter. I'm just hoping it's not like too long. We'll see, we'll see. Last one for this haul video. Really awesome. This is really, really cool. You can put these little animals inside the basket, and you can do basically any kind of background. They can be cruising around at night, or at sunset, sunrise, which kind of looks the same. Yeah, you can do any kinds of background. With this, you can really, really get creative. Okay, that was it for this video. I love what I received. Oh wait, no, sorry. Oh my gosh, my bad. This is just one package. I have another package here. Oops, sorry. Okay, another package here. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this will not take long. And here is, oh nice, they sent me a gift sticker. This is always good. Very rarely sellers send gifts. So this is one of the sellers for whatever I have in my hand right now. Looks like markers. I press you. They also have an Instagram if you want to check it out. So this is the store. Nice. Okay, markers. I love markers. There's a lot in here. And yes, I am gonna test some out right now. Okay, let me see the big ones. So first we have these 2 big ones. Let me get a paper. A big craft room, but no scrap paper. Let's do this pinkish. Ooh, it's like a dark violet, almost like a violet. Darkish pink, very nice. Very, very good. Let's see what we have in this one. Nice, beautiful. It's light blue, but very unique color. Like almost like a greenish blue. So these big ones are good. Now for the small ones, I bought multiple colors. 3, and I also have 3 more. So 2 of each. 2 of each package. So there's 3 packs, and these are not the same. The pink, this one is a little bit lighter. You can also see they're not the same. So there's 3 package, and I have a duplicate of it because there were really good feedback on it, and I do not want to have to wait for shipping again. So I ordered duplicate. Oh, look how it is, so thin. I love it. It's so elegant. Very easy to hold too. That was a terrible heart, but it's very thin. But you can make it a little bit darker to shade into it. So you can make it lighter or darker, and it looks just like the color it said it's supposed to look. Yeah, I am gonna test out a few more. I feel like if I go to Japan, I will buy so much stuff that I will have to buy a new house just for the craft supplies. Yes, because they have so many good things. Yeah, beautiful. Very nice. Beautiful. Look at that. Same color. Same color. Very accurate. Really good quality. Let's see one more. Do this one. So you can add shading to it if you just go over a little bit. You can make it lighter or darker. Excellent. Alright, I am so happy with this. Do check out this store. Check out what they have. Really good quality, everything. Alright, so that was it for today's video. We got so many good stuff, and I'm really happy. Yeah, that was it. Quick short video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to go check out that giveaway. You could receive some craft supply for free.